Pot, repa, rape means rape and paden. This is pa, rape. Semiconsonants of ra is called ir. Semiconsonants of ra is called ir, and this is paden. Pa, ir, vata. Parvat means mountain. Parvat, mountain. Payirvata Parvat. Payirvata Parvat means mountain. Mayirkata Market means monkey. Mayirkata Market means monkey. Kra, this is like that. Let us read all the words. Da yirpa darp. Da yirpa darp. This is pa yirva parv. Pa yirva parv. Pu yirra pur. Pu yirra pur. Next, sa yirda sard. Sa yirda. I already told first you should read up this ir and then downwards. Like that ir, this is ka. Pa yirvata parvat. Last letter also should consider as semiconsonants. Pa yirvata parvat. Pa yirvata parvat. Ma yirkata markat. Like that you should read all these words. Da yirpa darp. Da yirpa darp. Pa yirva parv. Pa yirva parv. Fu yirra fur. Fu yirra fur. Sa yirda sard. Sa yirda sard. Ha yirsha harsh. Ha yirsha harsh. Then dairya dairya. Dairya dairya. Sa yirpa sarp. Sa yirpa sarp. Ka yirma karma. Ka yirma karma. Ka yirya karya. Ka yirya karya. Sha yirma sharm. Sha yirma sharm. Da yirma dharma. Ba yirtana bartan. Ba yirtana bartan. Ba yirtana bartan. Ga yirva garva. Ga yirva garva. Da yirda dard. Da yirda dard. Isva yirga swarg. Isva yirga swarg. Sa yirva sarva. Sa yirva sarva. Su yirya surya. Su yirya surya. Ni yirmala nirmal. Ni yirmala nirmal. See here, I think all these words you know to read all these words. Next let us read paden. This is, if you put a symbol for ka, this is kra. Like that pa, if you put, if this cross line, this is kra. This is dra. This is mra. This is tra. This is dra. Kra, pra, dra, mra, tra, dra. Let us read words. See here, this is pa. Fi, this is ka. Kra. Fi, kra, fikra. Fi, kra, fikra. Fi, kra, fikra. Then, like that, this is cha, this is kra. Cha, kra, chakra. Cha, kra, chakra. Let us read words. Pravesha, pravesh. Pravesha, pravesh. Pravesha, pravesh. Prakasha, prakash. Prakasha, prakash. Krama, kram. Krama, kram. Samudra, samudra. Samudra, samudra. Chayindra ma chandrama. Chayindra ma chandrama. Pratama pratam. Pratama pratam. Pranama pranam. Pranama pranam. Samrata samrat. Samrata samrat. Prashana prashin. Praishna prashin. Prabala prabal. Once again I am reading. Pravesh, entrance. Pravesh, entrance. Prakash, brightness. Kram, samudra, samudra, ocean. Chandrama, cha in drama, Chandrama. Pratama, pratam. Pranama, pranam. Samrata, samrat. Praishna, prashna. Prabala, prabal. Truck or truck. Truck or truck means truck. Truck or truck. Then this is drama, drum. Drama, drum. Then these words. Metro, tactro, metro, Rashtra, national, metro, Rashtra, train or train, this is ta, see here, this is ta, train or train, this is train or train, train or train, train or train. This is drama. This is trolley. I think this is clear. See here, now this is today's homework. You should tick the correct one and you should write first word. You should pana, darpan means mirror. Pana, wrong. So the correct answer is first one. Put a tick for first one and write pana, darpan is the correct word. All write correctly. First one, Irpan. I am writing the answers alone. So see here, this is the Irpana, darpan means mirror. Da Irpana, darpan. First one, cock, darpan is the correct answer. You write under the line. Second one, how do you know? Prakash, you should read. This is Prakash. So second one, Prakash is the correct answer. This is Kasha. Prakash, choose the correct answer. Prakash is the correct answer. So you read. Write correctly. Next one. Tarly is wrong one. Trolley is the correct one. So third one, see here, this is this is trolley. What is trolley? Trolley, big suitcase. Trolley, a rolling suitcase is called trolley. Fourth one, see here, dharma is wrong. Drama is the correct one. Drama is the correct one. Next one, Akraman means attack. That is correct. Akraman is the correct one. Then sarp. Sarp means snake. Sarp means snake. I am writing the correct answer alone. So you should next one, Madras is the correct one. Madrasa. Madras is the correct one. Next, Irvata, Parvat is the correct word. Irvata, Parvat is the correct word. So I think all have marked and write correctly. This is today's homework. I am writing the answers alone. See and write the put the correct tick and write the correct answer in the page number 13. Next you should, here I am writing correct answer. How do you join this? Sa ir, this is ir, sa ir pa, sarp. First one they have given. This is semi-consonants of ra. You have to put, instead of ir and all, you have to put up one C. This is fa ir ka, fark. Sorry, pa ir ka, park. So what is the second correct answer? Write under the line. All should write second one ka. What is the correct answer? See here, pa. This is pa. This is ir and this is ka. Pa ir ka, park. So this is in the dash you have to write like this. Pa ir ka, park. Pa ir ka. Pa ir ka, park is the correct answer. Next, third one, ga. Pra, this is yip. Yip, pranama, pranam. Yip. So yip, instead of yip you have to write like this. Yip plus ra, pra. Yip plus ra, pra. So instead of yip plus ra you have to write pra. Pra, na, ma, pranam. Pranama, pranam. Say and write all of you. Pranama, pranam. Fourth one, it, ra, li, itrali. It plus ra is called a tra. It plus ra, tra. It plus ra, tra. So which is the correct answer? Tra, it. See here. It, trolley, trolley. Trolley is the correct answer. It, trolley, trolley. For that you have to put Chandrabindu. It, trolley, trolley. It, tra. See here, this is tra. Trolley, trolley, trolley. Next, id plus ra, dra. Id plus ra, dra. Drama, drum. Drama, drum. Drama, drum. Drama, drum. Drum is the correct answer. So you should use it. See and write correctly in the book under the line. Don't write on the line. Once again I am telling, Hindi always you should write under the line. So you should write under the line. Next, cha. See here, cha. What you should write? Sa, mra. See here, sa. This is sa, mra. Mra. Samrat. Samrat means emperor. Samrata, samrat. Samrata, samrat. Next, cha. Ip plus ra is called pra. Pratama, pratam. Pratama, pratam. Keep in mind always the second ta, no sleeping light should come here. Pratama, pratam. Pratama, pratam. Ja. This is su. Yir, ya, surya. Su, yir, ya, surya. Su, yir, ya, surya. I think once again I am reading. Keep listen. Pa, yir, ka, park. Pa, yir, ka, park. Pranama, pranam. Pranama, pranam. Trolley, trolley. Drama, drum. Samrata, samrat. Samrata, samrat. Pratama, pratam. Surya, Surya. I think all should copy this, see this and write in the book. Next, Only 6 letters. You have to put Rep or Paden. See here, first one is the picture of a sun. That is Surya. It's enough. It is given like this. Surya. See here, this is Surya. Surya is given in the book. See here, it's enough to put C alone. Up one C over Ya. Don't put here and all. You only put Ya here. Ya over Ya, you should put Rep. Surya. Surya means sun. Keep in mind, you should put it. Then, like that second one, K. This is the picture of a truck, lorry. So, what you should write? It is given talk or tuck. You should put only Paden. Track or truck. Track or truck. Track or. It's enough to put this one. This Paden. Like that. This is stay. Third one, Ga. Ten. See here, ten. What you have? Ten. You should put this Paden. Train. Gadana, Gadan. What you have to put here? Gayirdana, Gardan. Gayirdana. It's enough to put Rep. Ga over da only you have to put. Gardan means neck. Gayirdana, Gardan, neck. Gayirdana, Gardan, neck. Next, Nga. This is the picture of a snake. So what you should put is, see here, this is Sa and this is Yir, this is Pa. So it's enough, it is given Sa, Pa, Sap alone. It's enough, you have to put up one C, that is Rep. Sa, Yir, Pa, Sarpa means snake. Sa, Yir, Pa, Sarpa means snake. Next, Cha. Pavata, Pavat it is given. You have to put Yir, Parvat. I think this is clear. This is today's homework. All should complete page number 13 and 14 today, and all should send the homework. Please, all of you should send the homework. Don't forget to send the homework. Thank you, students.